In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Twitch subscription. All right, I'll show you how to do so on both PC and mobile. Now let's start on PC. Just go ahead over to your profile right here at the top right, click on it, and you'll be able to see the subscription section. Click on it. Now in here, you should be able to see a list of your subscribed channels. Just go ahead and click on it and hit on Don't Renew. You can do that as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to click on a streamer right here. In here, under the subscribed button, just click on it and you should be able to see a drop down that says Don't Renew. All right. Now, by clicking on that Don't Renew link, it will set your subscription to expire at the end of the currently billed period and ensure you are not billed in the next payment cycle. If applicable, your subscriber badge will appear in that channel for that remainder of the paid period. Now, by doing so on mobile, just fire up your Twitch mobile app. All right. Now, once you're in here with the same set of steps, for example, right here, just tap on this one and hit on Don't Renew. All right. Now, to do that via settings, just tap on your profile. Now hit on subscriptions. And as like on PC, you'll be able to see the list of channels that you're subscribed. Just go ahead and tap on one and hit on Don't Renew. All right. And that's basically how you cancel a Twitch subscription. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.